Hello everyone, and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Jolie Muse hanging planters.
Touted as the best white hanging planters available in the market.
These hanging planters from Jolie Muse come in a set of two, measuring 10 inches in diameter and 4.7 inches in height.
They are crafted from a blend of durable recycled plastic and natural stone powder, making them lightweight yet sturdy enough for both indoor and outdoor use. The planters feature a modern, industrial-style design that complements various home aesthetics. They are equipped with a heavy-duty triple rope hanger, allowing for adjustable height settings to suit your space.
Each planter includes 4 pre-drilled drainage holes to prevent overwatering, ensuring optimal conditions for your plants.
Designed to withstand various weather conditions, these planters are fade, frost, crack, and peel resistant. In conclusion, the Jolie Muse hanging planters stand out as an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their indoor or outdoor decor with vibrant greenery. With their durable construction, aesthetic appeal, and practical features like drainage holes, these planters offer both style and functionality. That wraps up our review of the Jolie Muse hanging planters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.